Hello, Nigon here, and I am back after, many years with a Saber install. This is an install for a very good customer I've had for years, Jet Saber, and he wanted this nice Obi Apprentice installed, so I decided to go ahead and hit him with the works, put it in Igniter 3, newest version, and a pixel install. So this video will just be a quick overview of the Saber, how it works, and I'll do a separate video of it like in action. So the features of this Saber is I do have the GX-16 connector here, and that has the integrated recharge and Killkey. So how does that work? Well, for the recharge portion, you get this special adapter, and this has got your normal Tamiya connector that'll connect to your recharge unit, and then this GX16 actually connects in. It is slotted. There's only one way it goes. So you slot that in like that, that's connected, then you can connect this to your charger, and this is how you charged the Saber, just like that. And then the kill key function, well, how it works is right now, even with that inserted, with it not inserted, it's basically as if the kill key is inserted, so no power is getting to the board. However, if I take my blade, which of course also is a GX16 blade here, it's hard to, blade so long, it's hard to get it on camera. But there it is, that's a GX16 connector. And just by virtue of inserting the blade, that will be like pulling the kill key, which will then apply power to the Saber and turn it on. So now that the Saber is powered up, we can use this custom button here I've created. Screws into the chassis, so it is just tactile push button, and it will activate the little tactile switch. And you can see this is a pixel string, so it has all the pixel string functions like the localized blaster blocks, as you can see there. It has the clash. Let's see if I can. There we go. It has a lockup. And of course I can shut it down and retract it. And then when you're done using the Saber, well, of course, to switch fonts, I should say, this is a single button installed. To switch fonts, you twist it, then you tap. So now we're on the father-son font, and you'll see now the blade will be green. There you go. Turn that off real quick. Won't turn off. There it goes. And you can, to change fonts again, just twist it again and then tap the button to the font you want. And then when you're done using the Saber, you just, unplug the blade like that. And now it's as if you put in the kill key. So now the battery is completely disconnected. That is it for the Jet Saber Obi Apprentice. Hope everyone enjoyed. It was a very fun install. I'll have pictures and build stuff on the forum, and I'll probably put a second video of it in action. Thanks.